This is such a crucial time for cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin enthusiasts are getting ready to buy and accumulate more crypto assets. This group of enthusiasts is joined by a controversial character who's become kind of a guru of cryptocurrency with his academy, Hustler University, and he has given much talk recently about cryptocurrencies. If you still don't know who this is, I'm going to go ahead and tell you. We were talking about none other than the ex-boxer himself, Mr. Andrew Tate. Yo, what's good, my friends all across the world? Welcome to your favorite digital investment channel once again. Today, I'm going to bring you a very interesting video about the future of Bitcoin and also the opinions that many experts and influencers are having about it. Now, just remember, we're not giving any investment recommendations, but providing you with the best information that you need to make your decisions. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, click the subscribe button and then also turn on the notifications so you don't miss any new videos. Now, there's really nothing else left to do. Let's get to the video. As we all know, Andrew Tate, he's a very controversial celebrity who never fails to grab the attention of the internet. You can love him or you can hate him, but the truth is that he has become a reference for the crypto world for his rather strong opinions about Bitcoin and Ether. But this is not the first time Andrew breaks the internet with his opinions about cryptocurrencies through podcasts he attends as a guest. In this video, we see how Andrew unloads against traditional fiat money. His anger is genuine against banks and governments who, according to him, just want to get their hands on money and take fees and taxes for every transaction you make. In fact, he tells of his nightmare buying a property in Qatar, where he suffered for weeks to be able to transfer a certain amount of money to acquire a house he was trying to buy. As an anecdote, he tells that he was about to give up his purchase because of the amount of bureaucratic and tedious paperwork he had to go through to transfer the amount of $900K to Qatar, while Bitcoin, everything would have taken a few minutes. But what is really Andrew Tate's current position on Bitcoin? Does he plan to buy or sell all of his coins? As you may have noticed, it doesn't seem likely that Andrew has any intention of selling his coins. On the contrary, though, in all his interviews, he asserts that the time to buy is right now. In fact, here we can see him exploding against people who bought at 69K, but are really hesitant to do so at 17K, when realistically, this is the biggest Bitcoin discount ever. He also claims that the next Bitcoin bull rally will be in 2 to 3 years, so the time to buy and accumulate is today. Is Andrew Tate speculating, or is he really getting his projections right? Let's see what the experts have to say. By mid-2022, technical analysis and specialists agree that Bitcoin have entered a bear market. Prices between $20,000 and $30,000 suggest that the months when Bitcoin had $1 trillion as market capitalization are way off. According to experts, the adoption of a cryptocurrency has a positive effect on its price. Currently, only a small percentage of the population is aware of Bitcoin and holds it in its wallets or exchanges. If adoption increases, future Bitcoin will cost more per token than it does today. Recently, countries such as El Salvador and Central African Republic accepted Bitcoin as a legal tender. However, an adoption among users may also lead to an increase in price. So what does Bitcoin look like this year in 2023? Following the analysis of Bitcoin prices in previous years, it's assumed that in 2023, the minimum price of Bitcoin will be around $26,366.85. The expected maximum price of Bitcoin may be around $31,479.47. But on average, the trading price could be at $28,000 in 2023. If we go a bit deeper into the future, the price seems to have no way back, looking for new highs. By 2026, according to crypto experts, analysts of the Bitcoin costs, the following high and low of Bitcoin prices are expected in 2026. $97,431.94 and $78,452.15. On average, it's going to trade at $80,763.72. So could Andrew be betting on these analysis? What has happened for Bitcoin to return to a bull cycle run? You can say that the law of supply and demand is what moves the price of Bitcoin up or down. But to boil it all down to last year's prediction is really rather simplistic. In reality, investors must take many factors into account when it comes to analyzing Bitcoin last year or any other year. Bitcoin is said to have historically performed like one of the most successful companies on the NASDAQ, the technology stock exchange. This is because, in perspective, the Bitcoin currency brings a technological solution, but also because of the return on investment over the years. Bitcoin is so important that when it comes to altcoins, cryptocurrency predictions must consider the price of Bitcoin. Here's some reasons that can drive the price of Bitcoin up or down in the short and medium term. In addition, Bitcoin halving, which has historically been related to cryptocurrency rallies, also comes into play. A halving is an event that occurs every 210,000 blocks. Then the reward per block goes down and miners receive fewer Bitcoin. The point is that halvings have correlations with Bitcoin prices. At the beginning of halving, a run-up to record highs occurs. This happens in 2013, 2017, and 2021. After 2 years of halving, there's a downtrend. While there is not total certainty for that of 2024 halving the same thing will happen, what is certain though is that there was correlation before. This seems to be what Andrew is betting on for the next 2 or 3 years, as he invites all of his followers to buy Bitcoin and Ether to accumulate. In his words, he states, "It's time to make money now and buy more and more Bitcoin. This is the future and the present." Although he recommends buying and accumulating cryptocurrencies right now, Andrew has also clarified in different interviews that the Bitcoin bull rally is over for the moment, and it would be foolish to believe that you will become a millionaire by buying right now. However, he is glad that the bull rally is over because he claims that a lot of dumb money came out of the market. For him, the dumb money, and he states, money of people who have never invested in Bitcoin and who in fact do not believe in the project, but who came in to buy to make a lot of money and get rich. This has him more encouraged because with the price drop, all those people got out of the game and now only the smart money remains, which will take Bitcoin to new all-time highs. Here's a question for you. Does Bitcoin have correct predictions? Will Andrew have any more information he doesn't want to share in his programs? The truth is that no cryptocurrency forecast that indicates exact trading prices for specific dates gets it right. Instead, a Bitcoin forecast that has ranges for specific dates can be more of a benefit to investors and their investments. It should be noted that Bitcoin is a recent asset, and banking analysts may say that the halvings theory does not hold for making a cryptocurrency forecast. The returns from investing or trading in digital currencies are less than those in the median, such as stock market or bonds. Even the majority of the population does not know about Bitcoin, so cryptocurrency forecasts that happen in 2022 or 2023 must account for this, and every new investor has to become an analyst and invest heavily in trainings. Andrew may be betting on information or these analysts, either as an expert analyst or just as another investor looking for the best opportunity. The truth is that Andrew has already made it clear that he will not stop buying Bitcoin, even if it goes down, because he does not trust traditional financial systems. Here's the question for you. What do you think about Andrew's projections and opinions regarding Bitcoin? Do you think he did it to become a super guru, or is he just doing it to sound cool? Leave us your comments and any feedback in the comments. I'm really looking forward to them. If you did like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on those notifications so you don't miss any new videos. And now, like I've said before, until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.